So this is how we join for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, when I show you if your buds is not working, if your buds is not charging. Okay, I open these buds. You see, normally you will see a green light here, but if you don't see a green light, and here you see in my phone is appeared if I go to gear, and we can see immediately here left and right 100% and case is 100%. First thing first, we have to check is charging or not. So if you put as this, you will see one light. You see both light here. If you put as down, you see two light. That means it's charging. Close, you see here blinking light, so it's charging. In case this is not charging, most important thing is the charger. So have authentic original Samsung charger. Better you charge with the original charger of Samsung. If you don't have, buy one, because they don't come with anymore. This is travel charger, fast charger from Samsung. The second thing, you have to check your cable. Sometimes if you have a defective cable, it's not gonna work properly, charging not gonna work. So I connect this one and I check this charger. Let me connect here. See the light here? So light is on. It's put the color orange, you can see here. So this is charging. Close this one. Here is good. So both has light. This is charging. After that, you can try with another charger. If your charger has defect, try with somebody and another data cable. Most of the time you could have problem with the cable and charger. So this is the first thing. Second thing, bring some tissue paper and cotton buds here to clean it up. For example, this is not charging. I take this out. So we have to take this out, both of them, both of the buds, and we have to clean it. So here normally this is the joint at the ending part. Clean with a tissue paper properly the connection point here, you see, clean them thoroughly. In this case, perfect. Clean them all the way everywhere. So because sometimes there is a dirt or something, it doesn't allow to connect properly to charge. After that, you have to take this one, because in this case you can't put the cotton inside. So these places is fine, is not necessary, but necessary, you see, 2 pin inside. You have to clean them with the cotton buds. You see, here we go, put inside and try to clean. It should shine. If you see it's become brown, oxidized, you have to clean it properly. If you drop some water inside or other things, it can damage it totally. So you have to clean it. In the buds, you can use some cleaner chemical, especially alcohol is better in this case. Some cleaner you can use, but be careful, watery substance you shouldn't use. So clean it properly. Also here, if you can, at the bottom, you see here, try to clean a bit and check it looks perfect, is not broken the connector or not, because sometimes the connector can break inside and it will not charge. So after cleaning, you will put one buds inside as this. See the light is green now, that means it's full. Then you take it out and put another one. Here we see the light is changing from green to orange. That means both are charging. In case anyone is not detecting, you'll know exactly which one has the problem. So both are charging now, orange color. If you close as this, you see something light here on the buds. So this is the way you can fix charging issue of Samsung Buds Pro 3 version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.